Dear students, in this exercise, we learn about division algorithm for polynomials. The division algorithm. See, if p of x and g of x are two polynomials, then we can find the quotient q of x and the remainder using this dividend equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder. You already know this, isn't it? P of x equal to g of x into q of x plus r of x. Here we have three conditions. If r of x equal to 0, then g of x is a factor of p of x. And if r of x greater than 0, then the degree of r of x less than degree of g of x. Degree of g of x plus degree of q of x equal to degree of p of x. We can prove this by giving different examples in the last sum, fifth sum. Now let us see the first. Divide the polynomial p of x by the polynomial g of x and find the quotient and remainder. See here p of x, we have two polynomials p of x and g of x. Let us divide p of x by q of x. So here let us write p of x inside and we should divide this by x square minus 2. Now to find the first term of the quotient, we divide this term by this term, x cube divided by x square. So here x cube divided by x square is equal to x. So we write this x in quotient place. Now we multiply. The next step is we should multiply this x and this term. So x into x square is x cube. Now we don't have x square term, isn't it? X into minus 2 is minus 2x. X into minus 2 is minus 2x. So we write plus 0x square then minus 2x. Now let us subtract these two. Normal division only is subtract. If you want to subtract two polynomials, we should change the sign of the second one. Okay. So we get x cube and x cube will get cancelled. Here minus 3x square and plus 5x plus 2x, that is plus 7x. Bring the next term down, minus 3. Now again we should follow the same steps. We divide minus 3x square by x square. So we get minus 3x square divided by x square. X square will get cancelled. So we get minus 3. So write this minus 3 in the quotient. So here minus 3. Minus 3 into this term. So minus 3 into x square is minus 3x square. Minus 3 into minus 2 is plus 6. Here x term is missing. So we write 0x then plus 6. Now we subtract these two. So change the sign. Minus means plus, plus means minus. Then we can add. Here minus 3x square minus plus 3x square will get cancelled. Here 7x and minus 3 minus 6, that is minus 9. So here what is the quotient? X minus 3 is the quotient q of x and the remainder is x7x minus 9. P of x and g of x are the two polynomials. We should find the quotient and remainder. See here we should notice 4, 2 is there. So cube is missing, isn't it? So we should write 0x cube. 0x cube minus 3x square plus 4x plus 5. Divide by, here also we can rearrange this, x square minus x plus 1. Now find the first term, x power 4 divided by x square, that is x square. Now we multiply this term and this term. So x square into x square is x power 4. Now x square into minus x is minus 1x cube and x square into 1 is x square. Now we subtract this, change the sign, plus my x power 4 minus x power 4, that is 0. Now here 1 plus x cube. So we write x cube minus 3x square minus x square, that is minus 4x square. Bring the next term down, plus 4x. Now divide this first term by this. X cube divided by x square, that is x. Write it here, plus x. Now multiply this fully by x. So x into x square, x cube here. Then x into minus x is minus x square. So write minus x square here. Then x into 1 is x. So plus x. Now subtract this. Change the sign. Here these two will get cancelled. Here minus 4x square plus 1x square. So minus 3x square. We write minus 3x square. Here plus 4x square minus 1x. So plus 3x. Okay. Now bring the next term down. Here 5 is there. So 5. Again divide the first term by this first term. Minus 3x square divided by x square. So that is minus 3. So write minus 3 here. Now multiply this fully by minus 3. Minus 3 into x square, minus 3x square. Now minus 3 into minus x plus 3x. So write plus 3x, and minus 3 into 1 is minus 3. Okay. Now when we subtract, we change the sign. So first 2 will get cancelled, isn't it? Plus 3x square minus 3x square plus 3x minus 3x. Then 5 plus 3 is 8. So what is the remainder? 8. Question is x square plus x minus 3. One more sum. X power 4 minus 5x. So here cube is missing, square is also missing. So we should write 0x cube, 0x square also. Okay. So let us write that x power 4 plus 0x cube plus 0x square minus 5x plus 6. Here minus x square plus 2. So let us write that also. Minus x square plus 2. Now divide this and this. X power 4 divided by minus x square. So minus, we get minus x square. So minus x square into minus x square is plus x power 4, and x minus x square into 2 is minus 2x square. Here also cube is missing, so we write plus 0x cube, then we write minus 2x square. Now subtract this, change the sign. We get here also x power 4 will get cancelled. So we get plus 2x square plus 2x square. Now bring the next terms. Now divide this. 2x square divided by minus x square. X square will get cancelled. So minus 2. Write minus 2 here. Now multiply. Minus 2 into x square minus plus 2x square. Minus 2 into plus 2, that is 4. Isn't it? So x term is missing. So we write 0x. Then we write minus 4. Now subtract this. So minus 5x minus 0x, that is minus 5x only. Then plus 6 plus 4, that is plus 10. So don't forget to see the sign. So what is the remainder? Minus 5x plus 10, and the quotient is minus x square minus 2. Remainder is minus 5x plus 10. Second question, check whether the first polynomial is a factor of the second polynomial by dividing the second polynomial by the first polynomial. So write the second polynomial, divide it by the first polynomial t square minus 3. Now when you know how to divide, isn't it? So if you get the remainder as 0, then it is the factor. So here in this sum we get the remainder as 0. Okay. So t square minus 3 is the factor of this polynomial. Second question, here also we divide this polynomial by x square plus 3x plus 1. Okay, when we divide, we get the remainder as 0. Okay, so this is the factor of the second polynomial. Here also, when we divide this by this, we are not getting the remainder as 0. We get a remainder as 2. So it is not the factor. Okay, so we can say that x cube minus 3x plus 1 is not the factor of second polynomial. Obtain all other zeros of 3x power 4 plus 6x cube minus 2x square minus 10x minus 5 if two of its zeros are root of 5 by 3 and minus root of 5 by 3. See here, since it is a biquadratic polynomial, we get 4 zeros, isn't it? X power 4 degree is 4, so 4 zeros will be there. 2 has been given and we need to find the other two roots. See here, root 5 by 3 and root of minus 5 by 3 are the zeros. So x minus root 5 by 3 and x plus root 5 by 3 are the factors. So here it is of the form a minus b into a plus b. So that is equal to a square minus b square. X square minus b square is root 5 by 3 the whole square. So root square will get cancelled. We get minus 5 by 3. So what is the factor? We multiply fully by 3. So we get 3x square minus 5 equal to 3 into 0, 0. So 3x square minus 5 equal to 0 is the factor of the given polynomial f of x. Now we got one factor, isn't it? Now we divide this polynomial by quadratic polynomial by 3x square minus 5. Okay, so we get the remainder as 0. If we get the remainder as 0, then this is the factor, isn't it? So we get x square plus 2x plus 1 and 3x square minus 5 are the factors of this. So next step is to find the zeros. We should find the factors of this quadratic polynomial x square plus 2x plus 1. Let us do that. X square plus, see here, this can be written as 3x square minus 5 into x square plus 2x plus 1. Let us factorize this. So when we multiply, we should get 1 and sum is plus 2. So 1 into 1, 1 plus 1. So x plus x. We take x common outside, we get x plus 1 into x plus 1 equal to 0. So x equal, so these are the two factors. So x equal to minus 1 and x equal to minus 1. So other two zeros are minus 1 and minus 1. On dividing this cubic polynomial by a polynomial g of x, the quotient and remainder were x minus 2 and minus 2x plus 4 respectively. Find g of x. So we can use division algorithm, that is, let us write all the divisors, quotient and remainder. Dividend is equal to this quotient and remainder. What is division algorithm? Dividend equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder. So that is, write this. Now bring this remainder to LHS. Okay, minus 2. If you bring this, it will become minus 2x plus 4. So minus 2x plus 4. Now plus 2x, isn't it? Minus into minus plus 2x, minus into 4 minus 4. So plus 2x plus x, that is 3x, and minus 4 plus 2, that is minus 2. So plus 3x minus 2. Now g of x equal to, we should divide this by x minus 2. We are asked to find g of x, isn't it? So g of x equal to this cubic polynomial divided by x minus 2. Now let us divide this. We get x square minus x plus 1. Now g of x equal to x square minus x plus 1. So that is asked in the question. So we found g of x equal to x square minus x plus 1. Last question. Give examples of polynomials p of x, g of x, q of x and r of x which satisfies the division algorithm and degree of p of x equal to degree of q of x. So first one is, so we are asked to give examples, isn't it? So we know the division algorithm, dividend equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder, and p of x equal to g of x into q of x plus r of x remainder. Now r of x equal to 0 or degree of r of x less than degree of g of x. Now we are asked to give examples for this. Let us do one by one. Okay. So here degree of p of x equal to degree of q of x. Let us take one example which so that degree of p of x and q of x. Q of x means quotient, isn't it? Yeah. Now let us take one example. P of x equal to 3x square plus 3x plus 3. You can take any example. Okay. And it is divided by 3. It is divided by 3. Now if you divide this by 3, what will be your quotient? X square plus x plus 1, isn't it? If you divide fully by 3, what will you get? X square plus x plus 1. So here, so what is that is the quotient, isn't it? P of x is this and q of x is x square plus x plus 1. Now tell me, what is the degree of p of x? 2. What is the degree of q of x? 2. So here we get the example. Degree of p of x and degree of q of x are equal. Hence the proof. Now next one is degree of q of x equal to degree of r of x. So the quotient and degree of the quotient and the remainder should be same. Let us take one example. X square plus 3 and x minus 1. G of x is x minus 1. So using division algorithm, if you divide this by g of x, x minus 1, you will get the quotient as x and the remainder is x plus 3. Okay. So p of x into q of x plus r of x. Okay. Remainder will be x plus 3. Okay. So quotient is x. Quotient will be x if you divide these two terms. Now, and the remainder is x plus 3. The remainder is x plus 3. So see the degree. Here also 1, here also 1. Q of x degree and r of x degree are equal. Therefore, division algorithm is satisfied. Last one, degree r of x equal to 0. Degree of r of x, we can give many examples. Let us give one. P of x equal to x square plus 1 and divided by x. If you divide this by x, we get the quotient as x and the remainder as 1. So quotient is x, q of x is x and the remainder is 1. Here, what is the degree of the remainder? 0, isn't it? There is no variable, so the remainder is 0. So hence satisfied. Thank you, students.